Ako si Jaquilo Corambao Abalye, muralist.
Ako si Eric Atot, local artist diri sa Bohol.
One of our most memorable projects sa RGC team, yung pag-restore ng churches. It was hit by the 7.2 magnitude earthquake. Dalawang major church, the Lobok Church at Maribohok. Sa ako nga side, it's more on floral, more on illustration siya.
In my part naman, mahilig ako sa oil on canvas.
Nung tawag ang Mr. DIY to do the mural, for me it was overwhelming.
Wala mi ga-expect nga kanang usami sa ilahang makuha ba.
We were contacted to do the mural artwork. So, gusto ni Mr. DIY na yung kung anong meron sa Panglao is yun yung makita sa makita sa mural.
So, we decided na yung famous na yung white sand, tas yung local na parang bahay kubo, tapos yung dolphin.
Feel na ko ang diri sa Panglao kay mas dagan siyang stock then lay ang feel ba kay ang kapalibot niya is mga resorts then mas dagang turista.
Murag wa ka sa Bohol, no?
Oh, wala ka sa Bohol, mura kag nasa laing country.
This year, 500 stores, milestone of Mr. DIY. It should be 500 stores strong, improving homes, connecting hearts. We believe na Mr. DIY is here to improve homes of Filipino families to the local communities. That is what Mr. DIY is all about. We improve homes, but at the same time, we embrace the local communities. We embrace their culture, we embrace their families. That's why in this initiative, we thought of collaborating also with the local artists of Panglao, Bohol, where our 500 store is located and will be celebrated as well. So, through this local artists, we can show kung ano man yung talagang highlights and pride of Panglao, Bohol. We believe na by embracing and showcasing yung mga local elements that we see, so the like of the white sands, yung pristine and yung beautiful beaches nila here, the very yung serene atmosphere that you can see na when we went here, we really saw na the local and the foreign tourists are coming in, flocking here in the beaches of Panglao, Bohol, na makikita mo talaga that they are really enjoying it.
So, gamural ni ganina, init kayo ba? Kapoy na pod kay gikag overtime. So, pero sa sige na mong paint, then nay foreigner nga ning dool, din siya, wow.
Dako kong pasalamat sa Mr. DIY kay nisalig sila sa amuang unsay amuang kapasidad. So, like sa amuang gibuhat nga mural, pasalamat mi kay kanang nisalig sila. Pasalamat sa Mr. DIY kay sa Mr. DIY always low prices.